The Redmi Note 11 is a great looking smartphone with its squared off housing. It surely stands out. We have a polycarbonate housing here. The phone comes with the quad camera setup and the Redmi branding at the back on this matte finished back panel. On the left side of this phone, we have the SIM slot. On the right, we have the volume buttons, followed by the power key that also houses a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. At the bottom of this, we have the charging port, speaker grill, and microphone. At the top, we have a 3.5mm input jack, NIR blaster, microphone for noise cancellation, and another speaker grill for stereo sound. On the front, we have the AMOLED display that also houses the front camera.